Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. Today is Monday, which means it's an update for my members. I do this every single Monday. This is also in our newsletter, which the newsletter is actually really important this week. You'll find out in a second. So if you're not subscribed to my newsletter, all you have to do is go over to auntietay.com and it will pop up within the first few seconds of you being on the website. Plug in your email or your info and you will get a Monday update every single week. That is the only email I send out, Scout's Honor, unless there's like a product launch, but I usually just do a video. So if you don't like being spammed, neither do I. Mondays are your jam. You're signing up for a Monday morning newsletter. Other than that, welcome to Monday. What do we have? I have 2 new pages on the website, not just bundles, pages for you guys. I'm so excited. So the first page is for everybody, all the members. It is an Ikon art stencil page and we are making pure black and white designs for you to make Ikon art stencils with. I did a video on the Ikon art stencil maker. I'll put a link in the description for that video as well as the Ikon art stencil maker if you are interested in it. But it's really fun and I can see it being an amazing thing in the crafting community where everybody's gonna eventually want it. So I thought, well, why don't I be ahead of the game and get some files for you guys to make your stencils so that when you get it, you've got some really fun files to work with. So we have fall, some Christmas ones, some Disney inspired ones, some patterns, some really fun ones. I decided to launch it with just kind of like an array of different things. But my goal for every character and every category of SVGs, I'd like to have some Ikon art stencils as well. So those will be rolling out over time, okay? The next page that I am living for, I have talked about it before, but it is finished. It's not finished because obviously we add things to every page as our little brains get inspired on my team. So, but it is finished enough for you to use it. In this newsletter is a video on how to use this page. What is this page? I haven't even said. It is the Design With Me page. It is only available to commercial use members and above because it is made for you guys to be able to create stuff to sell, actual files to sell. All of our files are not actually, you cannot sell our files or share our files because we create them, we have partners that create them, amazing people. But with the Design With Me page, you can actually take the bundles and make your own sublimation and your own SVGs and your own different printables and sticker paper and fun things like that. So I'm so excited about this page. So this page will grow and with each new season it will grow, but we have a fall bundle on there, some Christmas stuff on there, some Thanksgiving stuff, a lot of really cute letters and numbers and sayings and things like that that you can create to make your own SVG bundles so that you can actually sell designs. I know a lot of people have been interested in how they can sell designs, how they can create things that they can offer a design with to people. So if you're a business member or a commercial use rights member, you have access to this page. So again, if you want to see how to use it, make sure you are reading the newsletter. So there's a link to this newsletter. If you just found this on YouTube, there's a link in the description to get back to the newsletter so you can find that video. That is in the newsletter. Okay, and then if you have not been watching Mr. Crafty Pants every Tuesday, check him out because his videos are, I think this is his last video on the internet for us for October, but you guys will definitely be seeing him again on my channel. He also has his own channel, so check that out as well. A couple more things I want to announce, just kind of give you a little teaser on what we're working on coming out with soon, just so you guys can be excited and keep asking me questions. if you're really excited about these things. We are looking for instructors to teach live crafting Zoom classes and also business Zoom classes. So if you're a member, you will be grandfathered into all of this stuff. Again, my crafting membership will never go above $8 a month. I Scouts honor you that. However, when our business revamp happens for 2021, our business membership will probably go up, but we always grandfather everyone in at the price that you guys are in. So no worries if our price goes up and you're already a member. You will get access to Universite and all the things. And so if you are a possible master crafter and you think that you can teach an amazing class, we would love to have you apply for it. So check out the website, because under our members page, we will have an option for our members to become instructors and actually make a little money teaching crafting classes. So reach out to us if you're interested in that. All right, with that, I love you guys. I will see you guys next week.
Come run away.